Why patent search is required? Most of the inventors and entrepreneurs get confused with the searches that patent companies like us offer. So when we say patentability search, FTO search, patent landscape, these are different services which does not have any relation with each other. So most of the inventors get confused with patentability search. If they have a clear patentability search, it also means that they are not going to infringe anyone's patent. That is not the case. Patentability search is specifically done to check whether whatever you have invented, if at all it is filed for a patent application, it will be registered or not, whether you will get a grant certificate or not. That is the only purpose to conduct a patentability search. The strategy for conducting a patentability search is altogether different. Okay, for example, your invention has 5 features. When we do a patentability search, we check that all the 5 features are available in a single document or not. If they are not, we check for multiple documents to check whether 2 or 3 documents can be combined together to achieve what you have done. That is obviousness or inventive step. The first is novelty and second is obviousness or inventive step. Okay, and if at all there is nothing like that, we give you a clear opinion that it is patentable. Now our opinion are mostly more than 100% accurate, but we don't give it on paper because it's a legal domain. Sometimes something can happen. So our grant rate is almost 100% if we have conducted a patentability search. In rarest cases, we have also made possible to get a grant on the patents where we have given a negative opinion. Okay, so everything depends upon the way the opinions are given and the way the drafts are created. Okay, so patent drafts are equally important because those becomes the foundation for your company, right? So this is the reason why you need patentability search. Now next we will understand what is FTO, freedom to operate. Now you have patent or you don't have patents, and if you want to launch a product in the market, there is a possibility that when you have 5 features in your product, all 5 features can be separately protected under separate patents. These searches are conducted to check only live patents in a particular jurisdiction. Okay, what we did in patentability search, we checked all 5 features in a single document or multiple documents, whether they can be combined together to get your invention. In FTO, we are going to check only live patents. If you have 5 features and if you ask us to conduct a FTO, freedom to operate search, in that case what we do is we split your invention into 5 features. We conduct a separate search for each feature, a combination of feature, and then we come up and give you an opinion. If you launch a product in the market, these are the patents that are threat for your product, and these patents can attract infringement cases. So this opinion is different from patentability opinion. Just make a note of it. Okay, so infringement analysis has to be done, FTO analysis what we can say, has to be done when you are launching any product, whether it is patented or not patented, depending upon competition in your market and the number of patents that are there in the market. Okay, in India you have little leverage, but if you're launching in other countries, yes, people are watching you. Now next is infringement analysis. Infringement analysis is done to check when you have a patent which is having 5 features, and to check whether any product having these 5 features are launched in the market. So keeping a watch on the market, on your competitors, on their infringement activity is equally important. This is where people miss on a lot of opportunities. If you are able to identify 1 or 2 competitors who are selling infringing product, you have to send them legal notices. Not every time, every case goes to the court. People are mature enough to understand whether it is infringement or not, and most of the cases are settled out of court by just having a licensing agreement. Licensing agreement will give you an opportunity to earn extra income. You are selling your product, you are generating revenue from there, and this is an extra income that you can earn. So infringement analysis nowadays, no one is doing it. Big companies are doing it, but other than these companies, no one is doing it. If you have patents, infringement analysis is the only way where you can have an understanding to check whether you can generate more revenue by licensing. No one is going to come and approach that, ask you that, hey, you have a patent, I want to license it. No, people know that most of the times inventors or entrepreneurs don't check it. Companies don't check it, right? So keeping a watch on this infringement activity is equally important. So that is the reason infringement search is done. And last but not the least, competitor watch, patent landscape. It's equally important to keep an eye on your competitors' activity, right? Whether you will be ahead of your competition or they will be ahead of your competition. You have to keep a watch on them, what they are doing, right? The watch, this patent landscape can give you a fair understanding of everything, where they're heading, where they're investing, in which countries they are going, where they are collaborating, what is their future projection. You have to know this, and patent data becomes a potent tool when it is combined with a little market analysis. Because if some company is inventing, they are going to file patents, and every patent that has been filed will be published. Do you understand that? Data. So very patent data is very important data, which you can utilize effectively to direct your R&D activity gradually, and thereby gradually increasing your patent portfolio and market share. This is what patent search is all about, and the importance of patent search. If you're not doing it, make it a point that you have a dedicated budget for doing this activity. Otherwise, you will be happy in your world. You have R&D resources which may be effective, may not be effective, and you will be doing what you are doing, and your market share may not increase substantially, may start decreasing gradually if you don't focus on these activities. Because if you are not aggressive, there are other companies who are aggressive enough to use this tool very effectively. So make sure that you have equal budget for patenting activity and patent analytics as well. That is the only way forward for your innovation. That is the only way forward where you can increase your valuation of your company, by watching the competition, doing effective searches, and by filing effective patents. If you need any kind of services, contact us right now. We will help you in doing all kind of searches, and also in filing and drafting patents which are effective globally. Keep innovating, keep investing properly on patenting, and keep earning tremendously. I hope to see you successful in near future. All the best. Thank you.